Gaurko kalerik sozialera. Bienvenidos, señoras y señores, amigos, amigas, y se unen a Kutxa Kultur Iria Festival.
Where is all the fire gone? Now we're making somebody down. But sadly, I guess I was wrong again. I see the fire in your eyes. I know it's burning deep inside. I pray that it will consume you in the end. Where are all the tongues of fire sent to keep us rising higher? Where are all modern day miracles? I guess the logic took their place. A lack of sight, making lack of faith, and so became the extinction of the apostles. Maybe I can never be what you want me to be, but in the end, I guess that's totally just up to me. I can't be a Jesus, but I sure can be a Paul. If I lay down my life and give you all. Oh, that we could truly be who you want us to be, but who of us can honestly surrender everything? If everybody here would truly surrender to God, then we would reach the souls of the whole world. I can see the world all blaze before the earth's final days, and I can set the world ablaze. A burning epidemic will spread, save us all or leave us dead. Spread the vibes of spirit or a bell. So where does all our passions go when we wake up tomorrow? Will we keep the vows we made today? Where's the fuel of mission's flame? Guess it went from once again. I pray